welcome to
Krakow!
Hi guys, we're the Wawel Storytellers and we've got
Lily, Katie,
Jolene,
Andre and Amy! What are we doing today?
So we've got lots of stuff that we're going to be doing. We're going to go on a horse and carriage ride.
He's running away from us. Yep.
We're going to be feeding the pigeons because the kids will be loving that. Over this way, look.
This way.
And we're going to walk down the royal route all the way down to Wawel Castle as well. The one thing that we're not going to get around to is actually seeing this beautiful St. Mary's behind us and hopping up on the tower because the cathedral is closed at the moment.
Under construction.
September and October is closed, so we're going to miss out. And it is beautiful, so if you're here and you can go in, do go in. But let us show you around.
See that?
Do you want to go on a horse and carriage? Yes. What about you? You want to go on a horse and carriage? Yes. Ivy, do you want to go on a horsey? Hello, love. Hi.
Earth to Avie.
Do you want to go on a horse ride? Yeah? You want to go to horses?
I think she likes dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get a horsey. Where are we? We are on a horse carriage! We are going across the main square. So cool. Hey guys, having fun?
It is. So fast. I think we chose the fast horses.
She's fascinated by birds, eh? Every town that we go to, there's heaps of birds. She loves it.
But Lucy was fascinated by birthday.
Yeah? Cool.
Ciao.
Bye,
Say
baby.
Papa.
Papa.
Papa. She's proper Polish now with the papa.
So what sort of options for the horse and carriages have you got?
Yeah, well, there was two options that I saw. You could go for a 20-minute ride around the Old Town, or you could go on a 30-minute ride. So we chose the longer one, obviously, that goes to Wawel Castle. It costs a bit more, but it's, you know, I mean, you're here.
So is it going to drop us off there?
It's gonna come back around. It's gonna go around the what do you call it? Around the old square, then goes down the main road, Trotska, and goes back up on the outskirts.
What do you see down there, Ava? Where is the horsey scene?
There's more horses everywhere.
There you go. Made it from Old Town Square to Wawel Castle.
Bubble. Bubble. It's not a waffle. Yeah, a waffle castle.
What's up, darling? Can you see the horses if you do that?
Massive castle behind In the forest we are. Well, kind of. We've been riding for about 20 minutes around in a little carriage. And all I can say, it's very pretty, but very touristy as well. This is like a hub for tourists, Krakow. You've got cats, you've got taxis, little, what do you call them, buggies and stuff, taking people around.
Oh no!
And they're everywhere. Not complaining. It's all good here, man. And back in the square. Hello, horsey.
He says thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the ride, horsey. That was so much fun. Well, both of you. Thank you. So much fun. Good girls.
Oh gosh.
Yay! Somebody's happy. Marlene, how was the ride?
It's good, very relaxing. It's much better than walking and exploring.
That's right.
Especially when you have a 2-year-old.
And now we are standing in front of Wieża Mariacka, the Mariacka Tower. And we've got a guy playing the...
We found some birds, darling. You get some seed from Lily, look. Oh, Lily. Oh my God.
You have a cup? Wait, Ava, Lily, open bed.
I dropped it.
Here we go. Hang on. Look.
A bed was trying to go on my jacket, but it slipped off.
Whoa. Hang on. Look, seats.
Wow, Lil. You're the bird lady.
Daddy, I got a picture.
Hold it.
Yeah, I was eating and then I was just patting it. So I can't eat even though I don't have food.
Yeah. You're just standing in the right spot. Go to the right and then they swoop around. Every time. There they come.
Here comes the birdies. Coming back to the rightful place.
So guys, another popular thing to do here in Krakow is to do the royal route. So we're at the starting point at, what was the church?
It's the Church of St. Florian.
So we'll stroll down the route and show you guys all of the highlights that you should check out along the way.
Cool. The monument for the Battle of the Grunwald. And here we are at the famous Barbican. And here we are at the St. Florian's Gate. So, we are venturing out to explore the square. Let me show you around the square now. Here we go. It's about to start. What's going on, baby? So, every hour on the hour in this Church of St. Mary's, in the tallest tower of Wieża Mariacka, there's a guy come out and he does something special. And we are about to witness it, so listen up. Here, the window opens, can you hear? Hey! And people line up to see this man. So pretty. The story. What is the story behind this?
Oh.
He's playing on the other side now, huh?
Ah.
What is the story now?
Well, I read, but you guys can correct me if it's wrong. I read that back in the 13th century, the guy that was playing up there his trumpet got shot with an arrow in his neck. So the song just ends abruptly. Interesting story.
Yeah. So basically every day, every hour they play, and they stop just suddenly, just to commemorate this little event. And she wants a bottle. This is the inside of the Yay! Hello! And the town hall tower, man. Welcome to the oldest church in Krakow. Let's go to the clock hall. Famous clock hall in the middle of Krakow.
Trying some more of the local delicious yummies. She's going right in for it. That was a big mouthful. And
We are hungry.
we are starving. It's 2 o'clock.
What's your thoughts? Pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's toffee-ish.
It's toughish.
At least the icing is, because that's what I'm having.
It's a caramel one, so it's delicious.
One's gone, number 2 is going. Somebody likes it. Eva, yummy?
Yay!
And this one is the Dominican church. And now to the Franciscan church. Peter's and St. Paul's Church right here. And following the carriage, St. Andrew's Church. Church of St. Gilles. Hello! Where is the big castle? Right there?
Big egg castle.
Big Wawel Castle right there. Wow!
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that walk of the royal route. We're finishing, or you will be finishing it up here at the castle. We are not going to go into the castle because we've got a 2-year-old and it just seems like a little bit of torture dragging her through the inside. But there's some beautiful courtyards and some places to check out even if you have kids, and that way you don't have to pay. So yeah.
Awesome.
Guys, we have had an absolute ball in Krakow. It is an awesome city. It's very kid friendly. It's even Ava Lee friendly. She's trying to look at the birds. I can't make
Right
them
now, man, it's hard to even hold her right now.
So before we go, we wanted to ask each person what they like the most about Krakow. So Lily, you're up.
My favorite part was the wide and open. My favorite part was the wide and open space put in the square.
Yeah, it is a massive
Yeah,
square. All right, Katie.
My favorite part was the horse carriages because I love animals and horses. They were pretty and it's a really nice ride to go on.
Cool. What about you, Mummy?
I'm the same. We went for a horse and carriage ride as you saw in the video. It's kind of really pricey, but it was relaxing. It's an awesome way to see the city when you've got little kids and you don't have to walk around as much. So I highly recommend it. What about you?
Man, I just like the vibe over here in the squares in the old town. Everybody's happy. Everybody's talking different languages. You know, ice creams, food, music. Awesome. What about you, Evelyn?
Maybe you like birds?
You like the birdies a lot?
You feed the birdies?
You want to go and feed some more?
She's been chasing all the birds.
Yeah, I think definitely the birdies for Evie, yeah?
So guys, we've got loads of travel videos on Poland that you can check out in our channel. And I'm going to put this one down before we
So
say
she can run
goodbye.
around.
Please make sure to subscribe and keep watching because we're off to Zakopane next. So see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.